ठीक है. Hi guys, this is me Rohan and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine, and today's video is going to be a great one. So today I'm showing the prizes I got from ElectronicWings. So I participated in EW Project Challenge 2021, which was held by ElectronicWings and Mauser Electronics. On that I won, so my project won under the early bird. So they provided me some goodies. So today in this video I will show you the what are the goodies they gave me. So let's start one by one. So first of all, they gave me this stress buster. This is a fidget spinner which has a specialty that using this you can charge your devices. Okay, apart from that, they have given me this truck wheel. Just joking, it's not a truck wheel, it's a multi-purpose toolkit. Let me show you. So it has different kinds of what you can say, screwdrivers and gauze, and apart from that it has this cutter too. So let us place it over here. And apart from that, they gifted me one of my favorite thing, which is the Raspberry Pi Zero. So actually I wanted to purchase it from many months ago, from like few months ago, but yeah, they gifted me, so they saved my money. So yeah, here it is. So this is Raspberry Pi Zero, and apart from that, they gave me contest stickers, which is this one. This is how it look like. They have given me 4 stickers, which is exactly same as this one, and I have used it on my laptop, so that's why I have 3 left with me. So yeah, here it is mentioned that developers, makers, engineers, and apart from that, here it is written building hardwares to solve the problems. And here we have the vector art of soldering iron, which is quite good, and these stickers are very nice. So I would like to say, and apart from that, I got one more thing, 2 more things. First is the letter that we usually got whenever we won any hackathon. So here it is, and here it is mentioned that what are the things does the goodies contain. So yeah, leave it. So yeah, another thing that I wanted to show you is that this is the PCB ruler that they gifted me, which is quite good. And using this you can measure your all the necessary things, whether it is a IC or any resistors or anything, any SMD or anything you want to measure, you can measure it with this one, and it is quite good. And yeah, these are the things that I got from Mauser Electronics and ElectronicWings. So once again, I would like to thank ElectronicWings and Mauser Electronics for giving me such a nice gift and waiting for the upcoming hackathons. So once again, thank you ElectronicWings and Mauser Electronics. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you will love this video. So do like this video, share with your friends and family. Apart from that, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and apart from that, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn. Meet you in the next one. Tata.